How to charge or boost your enemy of negative mind? That's a quite odd concept. First of all, what is this enemy of negative mind means? You may think that enemy of negative mind is positiveness. Let us discuss about that. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I am going to tell you about how to charge or how to boost your enemy of negative mind. So before I start this, I just want to tell you regarding a conversation between two persons. In that, one person name is negative and the second person name is positive. So first of all, negative started telling that, boss, you are lost, you don't have anything, you are bankrupt, no one is there with you, you are alone, you are just no one in this world, you cannot achieve anything, boss. Why are you so aggressive to do something in your life and all? You don't know anything. Your friends are going abroad, they are actually learning a lot of things, they are exploring, they are traveling, they are earning a lot of money. See where you are. That is what negative told. Then immediately positive told, no man, it's not like that. I even have my own capabilities, but still I'm trying to learn something and I'm trying to make myself prepare for whatever circumstances I am. I'm okay with whatever I am right now. Okay. So that is what positive tell. Immediately your negative will dominate, telling boss, arey, what man, you're telling about you are trying something, you're okay with whatever you are, and inside you are feeling bad and your parents are not happy. What is this? You are actually not good man. You're waste material. So just keep quiet and do as you told. Do whatever is there in your life. Just shut up. But positive cannot talk because it don't have voice. Because whatever negative is telling is the correct one. Then immediately one more person rushed and told how wonderful it is, how wonderful your life is. Wow, you have achieved a lot of things, man. You have at least got a job. That's a great thing. Thank you for being at least getting some job out of nothing. There are lakhs of people who don't have any job. At least you're talking, you have a good phone in your hand, you're able to sleep on a good bed, you are able to have at least a good meal in a week, you're going to KFC a week, a lot of things happening. A lot of people don't have that even. So be thankful. I'm so glad that you are having that. Immediately positiveness or positive person woke up. Yes, you're correct. You're correct mate. You're correct. Then who is that third person? So now this positiveness got an additional charge. It got boosted up, telling yes boss, you're correct. Yeah, thanks for that. So the third person is none other than gratitude. So this gratitude makes your positiveness into 10x. It will make that boost inside the positiveness and it will dominate the negativeness. That is what the power of gratitude. So let me tell about my story. Almost 5 years back, I am a person who asked, why should I thank someone? Or why should I believe in God first of all? I am actually working hard and I am earning money. So what is the big matter? Why should I thank someone? Or why should I thank something which I don't know and which I cannot see? Why? I'm okay. I don't want to thank anyone because it's all my work. After few days, I lost everything. Whatever I earned, whatever I lost everything, I'm lost at that moment. Then I remembered about the gratitude. Whatever it is, whether it works or not, I should show some gratitude to everyone. Then I started showing gratitude. Every single day after having bath, even it can be once in a day or twice in a day, the bath will be, I will thank to God. At least there is one shape to talk, right? That is what God is to me. So I don't know whether God is there here or not, but I believe that God is there inside me in a form called as gratitude. So I am directly going to God and tell, Thank you, God. Thank you for giving whatever I am. I am having food. Thank you for that. I am having a great parents. Thank you for that. I have great siblings. Thank you for that. I have at least a job to sustain. Thank you for that. I am thankful to every single thing. If I did a mistake, please excuse me. I am sorry for that. So that is what I tell every single day. I don't ask anything. I want that. I want money. I don't ask anything. I just tell this. My heart will be opened up at that moment. I will be so peaceful, telling, yes, boss, you have something in your hands. Please be thankful for that. You are actually having a lot of things which a lot of people don't have. So I'm very happy for that. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you for giving this. So that is what I always do. So this boosted my life. This boosted my energy. This boosted my confidence. So now the enemy of negative mind is the gratitude, not the positive mind. Positive mind cannot actually, if you watch any video, you can get a lot of positiveness, but it cannot sustain. But to sustain to against this negative mind, you should take this gratitude seriously. Take this gratitude, take at least 1 minute and thank every single thing. Whenever you woke up, thank everything. Give it a point in your particular life, in your particular routine day. I do it after my bath. So that is what my checkpoint is. So it can be waking up in the morning or before going to bed, whatever it can be. Just follow this gratitude. It will work and it will boost your confidence, and it is the booster against your negative mind. I hope you loved this video. Please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. And if you want, please do share this video so that someone can be empowered with this video. So thank you. Have a nice day.